welcome to another Imperfect Foods unboxing. That's right, the not perfectly cosmetically beautiful stuff that can be sold to the grocery store is still completely edible, and that's why you get it from Imperfect Foods. Okay, let's see what we got here. We have a lettuce. Nom, 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 nom. I have some cilantro here. I'm gonna make a cilantro pesto. What you want to do is put that in your fridge in a cup of water, standing straight up. But I might just make the cilantro pesto tonight. Oh, we have a random leaf there. I decided to be adventurous. I got an eggplant. I don't know what I'm going to do with this eggplant. If you have any ideas for fun eggplant recipes, please let me know. Besides eggplant parmesan, I got these immunity boost shots. They're like juice shots or something. They've got ginger root, turmeric root, some other roots. We'll see. Maybe I'll do a live video of doing one of them. They sound interesting. Dr. Crafted. Who doesn't want to boost your immunity when there's a pandemic running around? Okay, I got these beautiful corn. Why? Because they're from Ohio, and here's what you need to know. Ohio has the best corn. Best corn in the world comes from Ohio. That's all you need to know. I got carrot. That might be the only carrot. It's supposed to be like a pound carrot. So there we go. Get some peaches. Yummy peaches. I love stone fruit so much. Lemon. Gonna put that in the cilantro pesto that I make. We got some summer squash here, some zucchinis. These are a little small compared to the big one I got. Oh, one more peach. Then I decided to be adventurous. I got a cheese tray that also comes with some crackers, apparently. So basically, they bought the cheese trays, like the snack trays that you would get from the airlines because people aren't flying as much. So Imperfect Foods bought them, and you can buy them for a lot cheaper. Then I got some Gruyere. Maybe make some grilled cheese, and then I got some boneless chicken thighs. So that is everything that is in my box. If you want to start getting your groceries delivered straight to your house, don't even have to worry about going to the store. Leave me a comment. I will get you $10 off your first box. And until next time, keep cooking imperfect.